In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to write curved text in Microsoft Word. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To write curved text in Microsoft Word, select the text and click on Insert tab. Then click on Insert WordArt. Select your design and here click on Text Effect and go to Transform and here select the curved text as you wish. From here I am selecting a design, shape the curve. This is the easiest way to write curved text in Microsoft Word. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.